Hello everyone, welcome to Health Fit Nutrition and welcome to part 3 of why you are not able to lose weight. So, one of the major reason is growth hormone. Yes, in girls the growth hormone is secreted till the age of 18 and in boys till 20 to 22. What happens that after the age of 18 or in boys after the age of 22, when the growth hormone is stopped being produced, so even if you continue the same diet pattern that you were eating in your school time or maybe in the first year of college, so that is definitely going to make you gain weight because your growth hormone is not being produced. So your body's requirement of the extra nutrient that it needed earlier is no more needed. And also today I am going to explain you a very important factor about fat cell size and fat cell number. Yes, once you start eating, so in the early years of life when we are born, we have a certain number of fat cell in our body. As we grow up, our fat cell size keeps on increasing, and if we eat according to our requirement, so the cell size increases at a moderate pace. But if we overeat, so the fat cell has a maximum capacity to expand. Once it reaches its maximum capacity, then it starts dividing. Suppose if I talk about we have one fat cell, if the size is this much, if it starts increasing, if you start eating too much, so it's expands, and then at a certain degree it starts to divide. So the one fat cell number turns into 2. Now your body has 2 fat cells. So now both of the fat cell will increase if you are eating a lot of calories than you require. Now, if again both these cells reach their maximum size, they are again going to divide. So from 2 to 4, 4 to 8. Remember one thing, if your fat cell size increases, you can reduce the fat cell size. But once if the fat cell number increases, you cannot reverse that condition. So what happens that when when it's college time and till school time, most of us are staying at home with our parents, we are eating the home cooked food. But it mostly happens that in the college time, when you go and you make new friends and you have develop a habit of eating in the canteen, or you stay in a hostel or PG and you don't have access to healthy food, so you munch on junk and whatever you get. So what happens is that you are not getting the right food and you are eating the junk calories. So what happens is you have to make this concept clear, and please explain this concept to your friends or whoever you want to. Please explain this concept and try to understand what I'm trying to say. Once you start eating, you develop the habit in college time. So from that college time, you have a habit of munching on junk, right? So you are making your fat cell number in the body to increase, and remember, it cannot be reversed. Now, after your college life, when you enter your job life, so in the job life, your life has become sedentary and you gained a lot of weight during the college time. That might happen because some fat cells increased in size, and maybe you didn't knew some of your fat cells divided and increased the cell number in your body. Now you have a sedentary lifestyle. We are a bit active during college time, but now it's the time when we are working and we are sitting in the office all the time. So we have no activity, but our eating habits still remain the same for a fresher who has just joined a new job. So what happens is your fat cell number that you have already increased, if you do not follow a good diet, if you are still following the same pattern, it worsens the condition. So please make sure that after watching this video, please strictly follow a healthy lifestyle, because if you are too casual about your increasing weight, please keep in mind that if the fat cell number in your body increases, it is not going to reverse back. So even if you are at a condition that when you start working out, you lose weight happily, but if you are working out and you are not easily losing weight, So please be very cautious. It might be that you have a lot of fat cell number in your body. So you need to start following a healthy lifestyle. For many people, you might have heard that they say that I work out, I follow a healthy diet, I do this, I do that, but I'm not able to lose weight. So you can explain this concept to them. So at least not yesterday, from today, you can make people aware about this concept, how it is affecting your health. Some people say that they work for 3 to 4 hours, but they are not able to lose weight. What can be the reason? Yes, definitely the reason is that 50% of the people work in groups, and half of the time they are busy in gossiping and they walk very slowly. Proper walking is when you try talking to yourself and you are not able to speak properly because of breathlessness. You are increasing your heart rate to that pace. That is the proper walking, which is known as brisk walking, which is going to benefit you. That too continuous for 45 minutes every day, without any talks, without any slow walk or time pass. So even if you are walking, the next thing is that if you are consuming any kind of slim tea or fat burning capsules or any supplements, or even if you are consuming the digestive biscuit, stop it today, because one roti and 2 digestive biscuits, so as compared to one roti, your 2 digestive biscuits has more than 3 times the amount of fat in it. Although it is marketed as high in fiber, but the amount of fat has no effect on the fiber benefits. So please don't consume anything which promises weight loss which comes in packets. Please believe on the home cooked. Some people also want to lose 10 kgs in a month. Believe me, the healthy way is to lose 3 kgs in a month and up to 10 kgs in 3 months. It might take longer for someone. It might take less time for someone. See, it all depends on person to person, our body's response. Even if 2 people are of the same height and same weight and same activity pattern, still the same type of diet and workout plan may act out differently on the 2 people. So it's your body, give it the time as much as it wants. For getting one job, we invest 15 to 20 years of our life. For getting the ideal body weight, why can't you invest more than 1 month? Why are we so much in a hurry that we want to lose 10 kgs in 1 month? It is going to take you nowhere. Even if you lose the weight, with that you also lose your beauty, your strength, your muscles, your vigor. So please try to gain or lose weight in a healthy way. Plan your diet from a certified nutritionist, because she is able to calculate, she is able to read your blood reports, take into account all your baseline dietary problems. So make sure that you are following a healthy diet, because when people want to lose or gain weight, everybody thinks that it only circles around food. But that's not true. There are n number of factors which affects your health. Its diet is one of the factors. Being physically active, sleep, stress, and so many more other factors. How you believe, what are your beliefs, what is your level of knowledge, what is your level of attitude in life. Even if you have knowledge that smoking is bad, but still you are smoking, what's the point of having the knowledge? Stop depending on medication for any kind of lifestyle disorder, whether it is type 2 diabetes, PCOS or thyroid, because these are all lifestyle disorders. If you take pills, so pills are a kind of hormones and the artificial hormones or insulin that you are getting. Please do not take pills or medicines for the lifestyle problems that you can reverse, like type 2 diabetes, PCOS, thyroid, because all these are lifestyle disorder. And if you take the pills, so you are making your body used to the outside source of the hormones rather than activating your cells inside and trying to reverse the condition. So when you improve your lifestyle, in a way you are reversing your lifestyle disorder. But if you are dependent only on the medication, it is only going to make the condition worse over time. The next point is chew your breakfast. If you properly chew your breakfast and eat, you are not putting pressure on your internal system. Most of the time we are very in a hurry to leave for the office or our school or colleges, and we just wobble down our breakfast, which is very, very wrong. And this mostly happen. This is the reason why people, when they don't wake up early, they either skip the breakfast, or they eat half of the breakfast, or they do not properly chew their breakfast. And breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So make sure that you are chewing your every bite of your, whether it is breakfast or any meal of the day, because it will provide enough of the energy for you to function the whole day. But if you are wobbling down your food, it is going to put pressure on your internal system, and instead of providing energy to you, it would want more energy to work on the digestion process inside your body. The next most important point is water. Our body is made up of 75 to 80% water. So make sure that you are having detox water in the morning every day, or maybe anytime throughout the day when there is a gap of 2 hours after your meals. And also never drink the refrigerator water. Always you should feed your internal system with a temperature as close to your body temperature, neither too hot, neither too cold. There are a lot of supplements available in the market. I'm not going to take any name, but they promise that you consume that supplement and you skip your breakfast, have it in the form of powder or any form of solution, and it would make you lose fat. But always make sure, whether you are following natural diet or whether you are including any kind of supplement, your muscles only form when you work out. Otherwise, if you are having any kind of slimming tablets or slimming tea, it will lose the fat, but again your skin will lose, your tummy will hang loose, because you haven't exercised and you haven't toned up your muscles. So workout is the only way if you have any problems with digestion, because when you are becoming physically active, you are actually activating each and every cells and tissues of your body. So whether you are trying to gain weight, so the nutrient will properly be absorbed, or whether you are trying to lose weight. So workout is going to work both ways. If you have any lifestyle problem, it is going to help you with that. So first of all, never go for the promising supplements available in the market for losing weight especially. If you want to take any supplement, it can be, you can take B12, vitamin D supplement, because these are the common deficiency that we have in day-to-day life. And you can also get yourself checked every 3 months to see your B12 and D3 levels, because if these are deficient in your body, then it is difficult to lose weight. You can also have omega-3 supplement, but then again I won't recommend any costly versions or any tablet form. For that, you can go for any natural supplement, or it's best to incorporate olive oil and flax seeds in your daily diet. These are the natural richest sources of omega-3. So this is a way how you can add on some supplements to your body if you really want. Otherwise, please do not go for any breakfast replacement supplement. It is never going to benefit you in the long run. So the last point I want to discuss in this video is that our body weight mainly comprises of 4 parts, which is muscle percentage, fat percentage, bone density and water weight. So if you have good muscle percentage and bone density, it only happens if you are exercising daily. Otherwise, you will have more of the water percentage if you are consuming a lot of processed food, because they are high in sodium and they would make water retention in the body. Again, if your lifestyle is not good, you are not exercising, you are eating a lot of carbohydrates, so your amount of energy that the carbohydrate is burned for, that will definitely happen, but the extra carbs are stored as fat in the body. So make sure that you start working out from tomorrow. If you are watching this video, please start working out from tomorrow, so that you gain more of the muscle strength. Because always make sure, then when you talk about losing weight, so don't think that losing weight is the only key. What are you losing actually? You have to make sure what you are losing, because if you are losing muscle, and if on your weighing scale from 60 to 58 you have come, that is not a good sign, because you have lost muscle. But if you have lost inches and maybe your weight was 60 but now your weight is 62 but you have lost inches, that means that you have gained muscle. And if you have lost inches, that means you have lost the fat. So always make sure follow a certified coach, whether it's anyone, whether you are following anyone, doesn't matter, but always get yourself assessed after following the diet plan. Or maybe you can go to a proper diet clinic where they actually measure your body fat percentage and muscle percentage by using the Tanita. So you have to make sure that what you are losing, because when you lose it right, you win. So this was the last part of reasons why we are not able to lose weight. I hope you have watched all the 3 videos, and I hope you gained a lot of knowledge about what are the reasons that might cause you not to lose weight. And I hope you have shared these videos with your friends who are also looking to lose some weight. In my next video, I am going to come up with 1-day sample diet plan that you can follow, and what are the arrangements in which you can have your different meals that would also be protein rich and also be fiber rich. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and please like this video and please share it with your friends.